There are superyachts that impress. And then there's Dilbar, the kind of creation that redefines what human luxury and engineering can achieve. At over 156 meters in length, Dilbar isn't just one of the largest yachts ever built. It's a floating city, a masterpiece sculpted in steel and glass by the legendary Lürssen shipyard in Germany. Her name has become synonymous with grandeur, and for good reason. She represents the ultimate dream of what it means to live freely, surrounded by ocean, luxury, and power. When Dilbar was launched in 2016, she didn't just make waves. She changed the superyacht industry forever. Designed by Espen Oino, one of the world's most respected naval architects, and with interiors crafted by Winch Design, Dilbar became an instant icon. Stretching more than half the length of a football field again, with a gross tonnage exceeding 15,000, she remains the world's largest yacht by internal volume, a title few can even dream of claiming. Every curve, every line, and every deck was sculpted to balance elegance with dominance. From afar, she looks graceful, but up close, she's monumental, a true titan of the seas. Dilbar's exterior is a study in proportions. Her soft ivory hull and sleek profile give her an almost serene appearance despite her immense size. 2 helicopter pads crown her decks, one capable of handling a full-sized aircraft, because when you're arriving on Dilbar, you don't land anywhere smaller. Her decks are vast, sprawling terraces with multiple lounging zones, dining spaces, and panoramic viewpoints. Every level feels like its own private retreat. From above, she resembles a floating island, calm, self-contained, and completely in control. The interiors of Dilbar are guarded closely, but the world knows enough to understand one thing: they're extraordinary. Designed by Winch Design, her interiors are rumored to feature marble, rare woods, and gold leaf finishes, creating an atmosphere more akin to a royal palace than a yacht. She can accommodate up to 40 guests in unmatched luxury, attended by a crew of more than 80 professionals. The owner's suite alone is said to span multiple decks, complete with private terraces, lounges, and offices. And then there's her crown jewel, a 25-meter swimming pool, the largest ever installed on any yacht. It's said to hold nearly 180,000 liters of water, surrounded by glass, light, and serene architecture. Every detail, from the chandeliers to the hand-woven carpets, is curated for quiet perfection. On Dilbar, luxury isn't loud. It's confident, elegant, and eternal. Beneath the polished decks lies an engineering masterpiece. Dilbar is powered by a diesel-electric hybrid propulsion system, producing a staggering 30,000 kilowatts of power, enough to move a cruise liner. Yet she glides silently through the water, reaching speeds of 22.5 knots with astonishing efficiency. Lürssen engineered Dilbar not just for power, but also for sustainability. Her hybrid system significantly reduces emissions, proving that even the most massive yacht on Earth can move toward a greener future. It's a combination of strength, silence, and sophistication, one that few other yachts have achieved. Owned by billionaire Alisher Usmanov, Dilbar represents more than wealth. It's a statement of vision and identity. Built with no compromises, she's a testament to what happens when innovation meets limitless ambition. With a crew of over 80, she operates like a private cruise liner, offering guests a seamless experience of movement, privacy, and luxury. Few have ever stepped on board, and that exclusivity adds to her mystique. The idea that Dilbar is not just a yacht, but a legend that sails. In the years since her launch, Dilbar has become the benchmark for the next generation of superyachts. From Project Jag to Azam and beyond, modern vessels continue to draw inspiration from her engineering, her style, and her sheer ambition. She's not just a record holder, she's a reference point. Every builder, every designer, and every yacht enthusiast knows her name. Dilbar isn't simply a yacht, she's a dream given form. A billion-dollar testament to human creativity, design, and mastery over the sea. When she glides across the Mediterranean or anchors in Monaco, the world stops to look. Because Dilbar isn't just another luxury vessel, she's the queen of them all. And in the ever-evolving world of superyachts, her reign may never truly end.